Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So have you ever wondered what is the difference between fresh whipping cream and double whipping cream? So today I bought the same brand of fresh whipping cream and double whipping cream. So we're going to start with the fresh and we're going to whip it and see how well it whips and which one you're going to use. The reason why I bought the same brand is because so there won't be, it won't be, I don't know, it will just be more accurate. Basically, you guys know I like to do experiments, and I've really got it into my experimentation stage since the Ukraine war, because I've not had so many orders and I've had a lot of time on my hands. So first of all, for this cream, I'm not adding any sugar and I'm whipping for 5 minutes straight. Yeah. So it's not like I whipped one more than the other, and I'm not adding any sugar, no salt, no gelatin, nothing. So we can see the consistency of this cream. So the first one we're doing right now, that's mixing right now, is the fresh whipping cream. So let's see which one is more stable, which one should you first with, and what I think of each one. Yeah. So I think this one should be ready at this point. So I think it looks okay. It's looking like it can't get any thicker before it becomes butter, and we don't want it to turn into butter. So let's see what it looks like. I don't think it's firm enough to frost the cupcake. Yeah, it would be great to maybe top cheesecakes, or just regular like homemade toppings, but I don't think it's thick enough or it has the right consistency to maybe frost the whole cake or anything. So let's try the double whipping cream. And guys, remember, I'm not adding sugar or gelatin to this, but what I noticed instantly was the double whipping cream is a lot thicker, and it forms like a film on top. I don't know why that is. Yeah. And it has a creamier color. It has a more yellowish tint than the fresh whipping cream. Anyway, so we're going to whip this for like 5 minutes as well, and let's see what it gives us. Honestly, I'm not very impressed. And the second one, this double whipping cream, didn't really reach 5 minutes. It was like about 3 minutes and 50 seconds when I realized that if I keep whipping, it will most likely turn to butter, because it was already like coagulating. It was no longer smooth or anything, and we don't want to turn it into butter. We want to have whipping cream that we can frost a cake with. So since I've got into Ireland, I've been experimenting a lot, so I can see what works for me and what doesn't work. And you guys know I love whipped cream cakes, and my customers love it as well. So I've been trying to find which is best. I don't like either of both, or maybe it's the brand I use. I don't, guys. Yeah, this one is a lot thicker and a lot firmer, but it is so yellowish. And the reason why I like whipped cream is because it's so whitish. It's not like buttercream, but this one is so yellowish. So there is no middle ground, and it's a lot thicker though than the other one. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos.